Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you will have to open settings, then you have to enter accounts and backup section, then go to the manage accounts, then tap add account, then you have to select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account, then you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next, then you will have to enter your password. Tap next, then you have to agree with Google service and privacy policy, and for the last thing what you'll have to do is to tap accept here, and after that account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.